Hi, are you looking for a property and are too tired or bored to do physical site visits? Well, you've landed at the absolutely right place. This is India's only prop tech online portal service which allows you to check out properties virtually. Well, this is Property Cloud, and what do I mean virtually? Exactly what I'm doing over here. I'm going to show you one particular property virtually. I'm going to show you the sample flat. I'm going to tell you everything about the land parcel and all that you need to know. Once you've known that and once you've shortlisted a couple of properties after seeing it properly online, then you can do physical site visits, for which we will provide you free pickup and drop service with our relationship manager as well. उसी के साथ साथ if you're going to book with Property Cloud, then it is going to be zero brokerage, and also along with that it is going to give you many benefits like on-spot discounts, payment discounts and a lot. Now today I have brought you to this beautiful destination which is called as Riverdale, and it is located in Kharadi. Why is it called Riverdale? Because of course it is facing the river and it is located in Kharadi. मतलब पूरा का पूरा IT hub आपके बहुत ज़्यादा नज़दीक. इतना ही नहीं, even the Pune Ahmednagar highway is very close from here. Of course, Koregaon Park, the most happening hub of Pune, is also at just about 15 minutes drive from this place. Not just that, airport, railway station, everything is very close from this destination. Now the whole land parcel is going to be of 30 acres and they are going to have multiple projects inside it. Let's talk in detail about that. This is going to be one of the projects, The Grove, and this is going to be in 3 acres and there are going to be 3 towers. You can already see the amenities and the floor rise. So this is the tower which is going to be, there are going to be 3 towers which are going to be of 28 floors each, plus 3 floors of parking and amenities and podium level. Along with that, this is going to be an exclusive 2 BHK project. I'm going to show you the sample flat. Stay tuned with me. Now this over here is the project that is inside Riverdale. It is called as the Grand, and here it is going to have total 5 acres of land parcel with 4 towers which are going to be premium 3 and 4 BHK apartments. Of course, you can already see the podium level amenities that they're going to have, like a swimming pool, kids play area and a lot more. Also there's a basketball court, a senior citizen sit out area and a lot. I'm going to show you the sample flat from inside. Stay tuned with me. Let's go. I have just come out of the 1470 square feet grand and luxurious apartment. This over here is your video door phone, and here I am into the entrance lobby, which is of 5.9 by 5.9 square feet, which is pretty big square, and that's the reason it allows more space for your shoe racks and storage units. And this over here that you can see is your living and dining area that is as big as a mini cricket or a box cricket stadium, I'll call it. It's 22.4 by 17.1. As you can see, it's huge and in one single unit, not unlike the other ones that are obstructed or they have an L-shaped. Here, this is your big dining area and living area, and this is the living room balcony, which is of 10.8 by 6.1 square feet. It comes with beautiful anti-skid wooden finished ceramic tiles and is covered from 3 sides, and also comes with this toughened glass railing that comes with a stainless steel frame to it. Now that you are back into the living and dining area, let's take a quick look at the kitchen as well. The kitchen over here is of 12.2 by 8.6 square feet, and it comes with this L-shaped granite slab and all the fittings that you are seeing. So this is a raw flat. You will get everything that you are seeing over here, including the trolleys, the hob and chimney, and also these units. This ends over here at this beautiful vegetable sink and a dry balcony, which is of approximately 8.6 by 3.3 square feet, and the flooring that you just saw was also wooden and anti-ceramic, anti-skid, and it is covered from 3 sides. Now your guest bedroom is pretty accessible from the dining area or from the living area, because there should be privacy and the other bedrooms are clustered at one of the sides. So let's take a look at the guest bedroom over here. This is 11 by 14 square feet, and it also comes with an attached bathroom right over here. And also a very cute and cozy guest balcony. The guest balcony is of approximately 11 by 4 square feet approximately. It's 11 by 3.9 to be accurate, and it comes with these beautiful anti-skid wooden finished ceramic tiles and also a wooden finished ceiling, and is also covered from 3 sides and comes with a toughened glass railing as well. I am standing right over here in the common area, and here is your common toilet and bath. Let's take a look at this one, and then I'm going to show you the kids' bedroom and the master bedroom as well. This is your common toilet and bath, and right next to it is the kids' bedroom. The size of this kids' bedroom is of approximately 11.4 by 11.8 square feet, and it comes with this standing balcony. So now the benefit of this is कि ये पूरी की पूरी विंडो ओपन होती है. Unlike many of the houses where half of it is fixed, यहाँ पर ये पूरा ओपन रखा गया है. नीचे दिया हुआ है एक ग्रिल for your safety and security, and ये पूरी की पूरी विंडो हो जाती है ओपन ताकि वेंटिलेशन की कोई कमी ना रहे. And along with that, there is also a pre-fitted mosquito net. And now it's time to walk into the most grandest room of this house, and that is the master bedroom. You can see all of this space over here. This space can completely be utilized for your wardrobes or your dressers, and the best part is that it gives complete privacy to your bedroom because this is the space that someone sees before entering the master bedroom. Here is the master bedroom, which is a complete unit of approximately 11.4 by 14 square feet, and it also comes with an attached toilet and wash to it right over here, which also comes with a glass shower partition. Now the master bedroom does not end over here, it ends over here. 11.4 by 3.9 square feet की ये balcony also comes with the same wooden finished ceramic tiles that have been there into your master bedroom, in case you did not take a look at that. Here is the master balcony that also comes covered with a wooden finished roof, and this balcony also comes covered from 3 sides and comes with the toughened glass railing as well. And now that you've seen the complete house, I'm sure you want to know about rest of the details, like the booking details, how can you come over here, visit. Hold on, I'm going to tell you everything. Stay tuned with me. 737 square feet ka this flat comes with a lot of things, and let me tell you some of them. A video door phone right at the entrance for your safety and security. And also this beautiful house over here. Now this is your living area, which is a rectangular unit, and there is no space that has been compromised. Along with that, right behind the door, there is some good space that can be utilized for your shoe racks and your storage units as well. Along with that, this house also comes with this balcony over here, which also comes with these anti-skid tiles and is covered from 3 sides. उसी के साथ साथ आपको इस balcony में मिल जाएगी ये toughened glass railing, जिसमें कि आपको मिल जाएगा ये stainless steel का frame भी. Now, when I'm entering back into the house, let me also tell you that these sliding doors also come with a pre-fitted mosquito net also. From your dining area, we will take a look into the kitchen. So this over here is the kitchen that comes with an L-shaped granite slab and also a vegetable sink right at the end of it. And there's also a special tap that has been provided for your water units for your washing machines. And this is the kids' bedroom. The kids' bedroom comes with this really cute standing balcony over here. ये पूरी की पूरी window open हो जाती है. So as you can already see over here that this is a complete sliding window. This is your standing balcony, and then there is complete ventilation from here, and it also comes with a pre-fitted mosquito net right over here. And now let's take a look into the next bedroom of the house. वहाँ पे जाने से पहले this aisle, which is also connected to your kitchen and your common bedroom, also connects us to the common washroom right over here. This comes with anti-skid tiles, wall-to-wall vitrified tiles, and CP sanitary fittings as well. And this over here is the master bedroom that also comes with an attached toilet and wash right over here. And as you must have already noticed, when we walked into the master bedroom, we noticed that the tiling has changed. The master bedroom comes with this wooden finished tiling, which extends into your master balcony. That's right, I'm in the master balcony. You did not realize it because of the width. The width of the master bedroom and the balcony is the same. This one is also covered from 3 sides, and it also comes with a beautiful wooden roof on the top and a toughened glass railing. इस घर के बारे में सारे डिटेल्स तो मैंने आपको दे दिए, कुछ डिटेल्स और बचे हुए हैं जिसके लिए stay tuned with me. And now it's time to talk about the main thing, that's gonna be the booking process. In case you have liked this property and you want to come over here and book this property or do a physical site visit as well, you have arrived at Property Cloud, and this is the place where you are going to do your virtual site visits, which you've already done. Now, the best part about booking your house with Property Cloud is that you will get a free pickup and drop when you want to visit the site. Along with that, you will also get spot discounts, payment discounts, and many more. Along with that, we also directly connect you with the developer, because of which there is absolutely zero brokerage. So now these are just a few advantages that I told you about booking your property with Property Cloud. But very quickly, all you need to do is very quickly go and register yourself on Property Cloud and click on the link that's mentioned right below over here in the caption. Once you have done that, then you are registered on Property Cloud. That means you are one of our valuable customers for whom we will go that extra mile and help you booking your house absolutely hassle-free and also brokerage-free. Quickly go and do that. Stay tuned and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.